Okay, so here's the prototype for the greenhouse project. We cannot see much with all the wires going around, so you better look at the circuit diagram. So I'm using the SRAM on I2C to store the 100 set of data. Uh, 1822 temperature sensor for soil temperature. I don't have dirt to put it in, but I kept it that way. Then there's the I2C air temperature and humidity sensor there. I also used this humidity sensor for the soil temperature. It's basically on a 10-bit ADC, so the optimal level would be between 300 and 600. As a fan, I use this here, so it's controlled with PWM at 20 kHz. Even when it has no pulse going on the control, it's still run in a low level, so I use an N-channel MOSFET at logic level to switch it on and off with the PSoC since it's on a 12-volt line. I also had to use that regulator on the same line to get 5 volts for the window opener since I couldn't pump enough juice from USB to power up everything. So here's my window, and I cannot really demonstrate every possible condition, but let's see what happens if the air temperatures get too high. Windows is opening slowly at 5-second interval. It's 30-second in the code, but I changed it for this demo. And here we go, the window's open. Amazing duct tape engineering. Now for the fan, it basically kick in at 3 different level of speed. And here it is for. Alright, so for the user interface, you can get a command list by pressing the interrogation mark. There's manual control that you can set so the automatic setting won't override them. Set the heater, sprinkler, windows, fan on, off, or at diverse intensity level. You can get the system information for the min and max value, status of the control, history, and currents. Let's see, values, control, history. Ooh. Yeah, so there's no real timestamp. It's pretty much time plus however number of minutes went by. I changed the setting from 15 minutes to 10 seconds so I could test the values. So, and for you can get the current sensor value, of course, and adjust the min and max value with these commands. There we go. So that's all for this. Thank you. Have a nice summer.